What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Cops Give Entitled Squatter a Lesson She Won't Forget. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
This routine eviction goes from 0 to 100 when officers find what squatters were trying to hide in the elevator. On April 15th, 2023, officers were called to a local parking garage in response to suspicions that a group of squatters had been living there. Upon arrival, officers observed various items blocking the stairways, and they were tasked with removing these trespassers from the premises. However, the squatters ensured it wouldn't be easy for them.
What's going on today?
Not much, sir. How's it going?
Not too much. What the hell is this thing?
I'm just trying to build a little cart to move my stuff around. I'll get everything packed.
Gotcha. You got an ID on your partner?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Sorry. I do not want to fucking
What is this?
I don't want people! Stop! It's like, stop!
I'll get all my stuff packed up.
I'm alright.
Sorry, I'm not trying to make a mess. I've cleaned everything up.
Here, just give me that one more time. Sorry. So the reason that we're out here with you is because of this stuff. Okay, it's blocking egress.
I'll get it moved out.
Because we got cameras and stuff, and we got people watching it, and we can't. That's why we're out here.
I'll get it moved out right now.
What we do?
I'll start packing up.
Thank you.
No problem.
And do you guys have a 24-hour notice thing?
I got the resource pamphlets. You guys been given one of these before?
No.
Okay.
Listen. Oh, yeah, I've got no work.
What's up, dudes?
What's up?
Just because I can't be in here.
Oh, you can't be in here? Oh, man.
He said, "Oh, I can't be in there." You know you can't be in there. What type of stuff they got going on here, man? This is a parking garage? Imagine you having to park your car and you gotta walk through this. This is crazy. This is insane, bruh. Wow, like it makes you think, like, how does life get to that point? You know what I mean? Like, what has gone on in someone's life to reach all the way at the bottom? You know what I mean? And not only that, how do you get out of that? You know what I mean? Oh man, it just makes me think, like, whew.
It's not like that.
Yeah, man, what about Frankie though? He's got no place to go, bro.
Yeah. Unfortunately,
Where are we supposed to, we're supposed to have set a bed for him and shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? You can't.
Can't do it here.
Alright, I'll move it all out. I'll be out within 20 minutes. Down in the park, I guess.
Hey man, you can't smoke in here, brother. Not even a vape. You got an ID on your partner?
Who? Me?
Yeah.
No.
What's up, Robert?
What's up?
What's up, man?
They know them on first name basis.
You guys just want to stand there.
Why?
What's that?
Why?
Because we're going to search you real quick.
For what?
What's that? Do you want to turn around for us? Face wall.
Why am I going to
You're
jail?
going to jail, buddy. Who says you're going to jail?
I tried.
You got any answer to poker stick me?
No.
You got any dope on you? Just be straight.
No. I shouldn't.
What do you? That means you do. Where's the dope at then?
I don't.
Okay. Well, the average person says no to that question. Not I don't know.
Only thing I have is that CBD dad vape.
Okay.
While officers continued searching the male individual, they could faintly hear the suspect yelling from what appeared to be inside the elevator.
Yeah, I told her, I said, you stop.
What's her deal today?
I don't know.
Ashley.
She's been going like this since when she disappeared. I don't know,
Ashley Kloss or
No, you know.
Damn, Ashley, they know everybody by name.
No, there shouldn't be.
What do you mean there shouldn't be? There isn't.
Nothing.
Okay. Just stay over here by the wall, okay, brother? Appreciate cooperation, man.
Can I finish getting my stuff ready to go?
Yeah, you can start packing that stuff up.
Why am I going to jail?
No one said you're going to jail. Just calm down. As long as you stay cool, you're not going to jail. I'm not trying to pick on you, dude.
It seems like you guys are singling me out for someone.
Because That's what my sergeant said on the camera.
What?
That you were hot piping.
No.
Is she up there by herself?
Yes.
Wait.
What's up? Yeah, she got me in the elevator. Just when we got to it.
As deputies tried to enter the elevator, they encountered the suspect attempting to do something they would never expect.
I've been hanging out with him and helping him fix fights.
Crazy.
Alright, you're good, buddy. Get your stuff.
Thank you, Robert. Appreciate your cooperation. We just need you
We'll
guys
be out of here in the next 10 minutes.
Appreciate you, Wade.
Yeah, we're gonna take Clyde out of the park. You think she's there? Oh no. Ashley, you need to relax.
Ash,
No!
what's going on? Can you settle down for her?
Dope.
Can you stop? No,
No,
you're not
I'm
smoking.
not-
No, stop.
I'm
Stop.
evil.
She's got dope in her.
I didn't mean to. All right, I'll let go. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let go, and I will. Ow! Ow! I feel the balls.
Then
You're
stop.
gonna fucking kill it.
Then stop.
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 He's going to jail for sure.
You need to stop.
I need to be a.
You're gonna get targeted.
I am the worst person on this planet. I know. I'm so sorry, Mike. I am the worst person in the world. And I know it.
You're going to jail for sure. Relax. DC attempted battery. Throwing dope in my face is not going to be a good thing.
I know,
You didn't get hurt.
I just wanted to be okay.
I be feeling bad for these people sometime, man. Like, imagine, you know, what she was like prior to getting hooked and homeless and all of these people. You know what I mean? It's just sad, man. Just sad, you know? But you gotta want to help yourself. You know, nobody can help you if you don't want to help yourself, you know? And just bad, man. Bad. But at least you won't have to sleep in elevators and stairwells anymore. I mean, she'll get 3 hots and a cot, man.
Calm down. Under control. You want another one?
Stop getting get out of my thoughts.
We're good right now.
Sit.
Stop kicking me.
I
I
didn't
swear
kick
to
you. I
God.
did not kick you.
Stop doing it.
You're
gonna get hurt.
Okay? We don't.
I didn't say that.
Okay, then relax. Don't kick us and I won't kick you.
All right, respect and respect.
Respect, okay? Deal.
Okay, a
He'll
deal.
take his leg off, but don't you kick then.
I will not.
Deal?
Deal.
You promised.
She tried to rub that dope in my face.
Go ahead.
I
I
did
got
not
it.
mean
Take
to
over.
do that to her. I was trying to
Hey,
swallow it.
you promise that you're not gonna kick.
I will shoot
What was
it.
on that tinfoil? What was in the tinfoil?
That was heroin. You loser.
Hey, roll over. Come on. Come on, I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on. I'm not hurting you. Sit up.
No, I just wrecked.
Sit up. Sit up. Come on. Come on, sit up. Here we go. Just stand up. All right. I know you're sorry. Come on.
I'm usually really. Ow!
Hey, what's up? Step in.
I don't see anything on her, and I'm not gonna. She got nothing.
Ashley, come on.
Sit. I'm fine. She just tried to rub dope in my face.
Okay.
So I don't know what's in there.
Where'd you rub that?
She tried to rub it on my face on this side.
Look up. Look up. You ain't powder?
I don't know.
Open her mouth.
She was trying to smoke it. I tried to grab her and she swept around and went, tried to get me in the face. I don't know if she got me or not. I didn't feel it hit me, but it doesn't mean it wasn't powdered.
No, I don't. You're not feeling it right now.
I don't know. I'm a little lightheaded because I'm pissed, but
Medical's in wrong.
I'll stay with him.
We can cancel.
I'll stay with him and have medical check him out. Take her to the hospital with Danny. Brown, excuse me. She's got those gloves on. Check that elevator bay. See if you see anything. I think she ate it right off there. I don't think there's anything on it. If it's burnt, I don't think if there's dope on it, let me know.
There, she's got like other stuff in that. You want the ID card and everything else out of there too. That's hers.
Might as well put it in the bag so we don't have to come back and say it's stolen. Thank you.
The suspect was later charged with attempted battery to an officer, resisting an officer, disorderly conduct, and second-degree recklessly endangering safety.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.